We just saw two bodyguards of the ANC secretary in eThekwini, playing with guns in an environment which is highly, charged. We cannot afford that. If the ANC is serious about dealing with people who are killing people here, the first step will be to open a case against those ones who are caught right-handed on a video playing with fire.
A few moments later.
In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment.
No sober judge will ever agree that a person shoot one bullet and then is sentenced for 5 years.
Let's take it from the beginning.
But I think general to play with guns is childish.
So you see,
and if it's a toy gun, it's even much more childish. Since 2018, if you were to calculate the amount of money that has been spent on lawyers and busing supporters to go and say hands off CIC, it's possibly about 50 million rand because of childish behavior.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. This man.